Whether or not the Son's assuming a human nature affects the other persons of the Trinity is going to depend on whether you think that God is passible or not. Now, this is a fancy theological term having to do with whether or not God is capable of being affected by things outside of him. Some persons are committed to a doctrine of God according to which God is literally impassible. That is to say, he is not affected by anything outside himself. And they would seem to think that to be passible would be a sort of weakness in God. Now, I don't see this taught in the Bible at all. It seems to me that the biblical God is quite passible. He exhibits compassion and anger toward human beings. He is clearly affected by what they do. So when the second person of the Trinity takes on a human nature, I think that this would have a deep effect upon God the Father as he sees the way in which his Son was mistreated and abused, and he would be grieved by this sort of behavior. So I think definitely, yes, that Christ assuming a human nature has an effect upon all the persons of the Trinity.